We're on the third floor, which has living space, and also there's two side attic areas. Looking at the skylight, we can see there's water stains, which could be from a water leak or a condensation. A roof inspection would tell us more clearly if there's an issue with water penetration. Heading into a three-quarter bath. Unfortunately, they had the water turned off, so none of the plumbing fixtures could be evaluated, which you would certainly want to do prior to purchasing the home. Heading into a kind of large ancillary room. We can see there's once again the skylight, and taking a look at the floor, there's water damage. So obviously we know that they have an issue with the roof flashing, which needs to be repaired. The door does not lock, and the outside light doesn't work, which needs to be repaired. Moving into the side attics. Right here we see those shiny stainless steel flexible vents, and those are from the bathroom exhaust fans from below. They need to be vented directly to the exterior, otherwise moisture and mold can accumulate in the enclosed space. Looking at this plumbing vent, this is the main vent for the drain line, and unfortunately the support strap is broken, and so it's filled with water, not venting properly, and could break, flooding the second floor ceiling with water. An obviously important repair to make as soon as possible. This is something that could be easily taken care of. Both those issues need to be addressed. Now we head over to the other side attic area where an HVAC system is installed. So this is actually an insulated space because of that. And we can see here there's two sections of insulation that have come loose, and there's actually even water lines. So it's mandatory that this space be repaired, the insulation be repaired. And other than that, this area was in pretty good shape. Most of these repairs were rather minor in the respect that they could be accomplished within a day, as far as the water penetration through the skylights, depending on the real cause of that. If it's shingles or flashing, that could be more involved. Okay, enjoy. Good luck.